Have you ever wondered how to build an income-producing asset base? Puzzled over how to fill your coffers while you sleep? Well, it's not a magic trick, and it's not just for the uber wealthy. It's about acquiring assets that generate passive income. Let's dive right into it, shall we? First and foremost, you need to save and invest wisely. The foundation of any asset base is capital, and capital comes from saving. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep, and then what you do with what you keep. Investing in assets such as dividend stocks or rental properties can help your savings grow exponentially. Next, consider diversifying your investments. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you wouldn't want to put all your money into one type of asset. Diversification helps to spread the risk and increase the potential for returns. So, you might have some money in stocks, some in real estate, and some in other investments like bonds or mutual funds. Now, you may be thinking, I don't know the first thing about stocks or real estate. Well, that's where education comes in. There are plenty of resources out there to help you learn about different types of investments. Books, online courses, podcasts, financial advisors, you name it. And you don't have to go it alone. Partnering with others can help you pool resources, share risks, and multiply your investment capacity. So, consider joining an investment club or forming partnerships with like-minded individuals. Finally, remember that building an income-producing asset base takes time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about making smart choices, being patient, and letting your money work for you. To sum up, building an income-producing asset base involves saving and investing wisely, diversifying your investments, educating yourself about different types of assets, partnering with others, and being patient. But don't just take my word for it. A recent article in Business Insider highlighted the strategy of Michael O., a successful fund manager. He emphasizes the importance of a future-focused strategy, looking at long-term growth opportunities, and evaluating companies based on their potential to grow. So, there you have it. The road to financial freedom isn't always easy, but with the right strategy, patience, and a little bit of knowledge, you can start building your income-producing asset base today. And remember, come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.